Hey there, iPhone 15 Pro Max users. Today, I'm going to show you how to master Apple Pay in just 2 minutes. Ready? Let's dive in. First things first, Apple Pay is super convenient for making those quick purchases without fumbling for your wallet. Here's how you do it. Step 1. Double-click the side button on your iPhone. This brings up your default payment card. Step 2. Authenticate with Face ID or your passcode. No need to worry about security. Apple has got you covered. Step 3. Hold the top of your iPhone near the card reader. Wait until you see Done or a check mark on the screen. And that's it. Want to use a different card? No problem. Just double-click the side button, then tap your default card to see your other options. Select the one you want, authenticate, and hold your iPhone near the reader. Easy peasy. And remember, Apple Pay isn't just for stores. You can use it in apps and on websites to make your shopping experience even smoother. Look for the Apple Pay symbol during checkout. Need to manage your cards? Head to Settings, tap Wallet and Apple Pay, and you can add, remove, or update your payment methods. So, there you have it. A quick and easy way to use Apple Pay on your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now you can pay faster and safer, whether you're grabbing a coffee or shopping online. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.